What's up, guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Oh, I've been fighting the steering column here, trying to get this lock out here this morning. I got it out. A little bit of a pain in the ass. And had no key with it, because as you can see, she's pretty rusty. I gotta kind of clean all this up here. Pretty good shape on the inside. Everything's good. Bearing there is all good. I'll re-grease that. But yeah, here's the lock. Had to drill it all out, you know, carefully. Don't want to damage anything. So that's all good. I just started touching the little pin inside there, just on the very end of it, but no damage anywhere. So that's a good sign. Now I can kind of go ahead and get the rest of that done. Get that painted so I can mount that sucker in there so I can get the wiring done on this thing. So got to get a new neutral safety switch and, you know, that kind of stuff. Got some parts there I got to recondition on the end, that little collar there, that retainer I got to do, and yeah, a little bit of work there to do yet. And I got the windshield washer pump all done. Looks brand new, except for the pump here. You can see can't buy those, so there's not much I can do about that. Hopefully it works. And then I cleaned up all the steering wheel here. She had a lot of black mold. This car had so much mold in it. Sat in a sea can for a long time. A lot of humidity and stuff like that, and so yeah, it's in good shape though. Everything's good, like nothing's warped, so that's kind of nice. And went through this defroster here. This is all reconditioned here, ready to put in. Just got to wait for headliner and then those sail panels, the inside there. I got to get those on, and then I can put the package tray on, then I can put the defogger on and all that kind of stuff. So it's one piece at a time, because every time you want to put something on, you got to recondition it. I wish the guy could just stick it on, you know? But yeah, it's coming along here. So that's what I'm fighting with today. I'm going to start cleaning this up here, and then I will I'll be back once this is done here. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit. Hey guys, Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Cars. You can see my ugly mug now, ugly French old guy with no teeth. Just wanted to say, I know the videos aren't the best right now. I'm kind of new at this, but if anybody likes what they see or anything about my videos, please share, like, and subscribe and all that kind of garbage. And they'll get better. I just got to get some different equipment as I go here, but everything costs money, so that's about all. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I'm back here. Just a little follow-up on the steering column. Steering column's pretty much done here. You can see I just had it all stripped down, the metal, refinished everything, and the only thing I got to get now is the switch for the, not the ignition switch, but they call it still an ignition switch, but it just bolts onto the, right here. Is it here? Nope, it's on the other side. Right here, where the little rod is here. When you turn the key, it pulls the rod. And then I need the neutral safety switch, so I got to get one of those, and then I also got to get an ignition switch with the key and stuff before I can finally put it all back together and then get it back into the car. But it looks really damn good, and this isn't really factory here, but I did it like that because I didn't want to completely take it apart to get the rubber off, so I just kind of split it up right here, which still looks nice. But yeah, there's no reason to take the whole column apart anyways. It's all good on the inside, so that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys that. Alright, have a good day.